people will look at, I have been investing some money in terms of fees, sending my child, and he does it 4 year of engineering. At the end of that, he must be getting some kind of an employment so that he will start earning, take care of the family. This is a minimum logic which any parent or any student will put in. And in the last 2+ decades, right from late 1990s to now 2024, means 25+ years.
Correct.
There has been a very clear, large number of jobs created in the IT sector.
Correct.
Maybe absolutely routine jobs of maintenance of a software, or running a software and giving some data or output out of that, or even creating a new software. Basically there are a large number of jobs here. But nevertheless, there were jobs and there are jobs in the core engineering sector of civil engineering. There are huge number of infrastructure projects going on, whether it is roads, whether it is railways, whether it is airports, whether it is even sea connectivity and all of that. You require a lot of infrastructure support.
Correct.
That is one. Transportation along with that, whether it is air transport, whether it is land transport, and all of that is also another area. You require energy. Even energy is required for running the computers.
Correct.
And you have different kinds of sources of energy, right from fossil fuel, which we are all used to it, to nuclear energy and to solar energy, wind energy. So you require everywhere a lot of hardware, lot of non-IT things are more in number in all of this. Same is the case with automotive industry. Same is the case with steel industry, which is
semiconductor chips.
Semiconductor. I'm coming to that. Semiconductor, which we missed the bus long ago. We became an IT superpower. We could have become even the hardware superpower, but right time interventions were not there. But thankfully, only last week we have 3 plants going to be established for manufacturing chips. In 2 different areas, one extreme northeast, that is in Assam, and the other in Gujarat. So I think more of them will come in. So we will have a huge scope for civil, mechanical, electrical, chemical, metallurgical, all of these engineering, given the challenge which we faced in space technology. I think that will have cascading effect on the psyche of the students in terms of challenges. See, ultimately, one part is you are getting more money and job. Second part is you must get satisfaction and enjoyment. And that enjoyment and satisfaction will come when you see something successful happening.
Correct.
And that is what happened in Chandrayaan 3 time. That our country could do it, which no other country could have done it. We did it for the first time. Right. I think that is the thing which will empower our students in starting learning even core areas. But at the same time, as I said in the beginning, jobs are also important.
Right.
And there or creating jobs are also important. Therefore, entrepreneurship is important. So how do you match these two? So while core branches teaching learning takes place, we must give enough opportunities for students to learn even some programs like computer science or AI or data science, so that the employability of a student of civil or chemical engineering will become even better than that of the computer science engineer.
Right.
That happens,
both the words.
He will have much more wider angle actually to look at. So in that case, I don't think this challenge will continue to remain, and we will be able to see. And therefore, there are electives, there are minor degrees, major and minor. All these concepts are going to help us in both hardware as well as software domains.